Hi there, I'm Plant Dr. Michael. I'm here at Moana Nursery, and today I want to talk to you about apple trees. Apple trees do so well in our climate here. They love our climate here in Reno. Some of them are self-pollinating, some of them need friends. With a combination apple tree, this is 4 different apples. You don't need additional apples. Apple trees go 15 to 20 feet wide, so give them plenty of elbow space. They like a lot of food, so keep up with your fertilizing. A heavy nitrogen fertilizer like our citrus and fruit tree fertilizer is perfect. Important things you need to realize about apple trees. You need to thin the fruit to make sure that you have proper fruit setting. You need to look out for pests like codling moths and the caterpillars that love to eat them. There's lots of natural ways to control the pests, but you just got to stay on top of it. In addition to thinning the fruit of apple trees, you need to prune selectively. You need to prune out any dead, diseased, broken branches. You need to have an open air space in the middle, plenty of air circulation. Look out for any signs of powdery mildew. They are susceptible to disease. With a multi-graft fruit tree like this combination apple, you need to make sure that one arm doesn't get super strong and the other arms get weak. Keep the strong arm at bay so it all grows at the same rate. So as long as you follow these tips, you'll have a great, healthy tree with years and years of apple harvest to come. So how do you like them apples?